It's locked. I could really do with a hair grip or something to get it open. How handy. I'll have this done in no time. These things are an absolute doddle if you know what you're doing.
Is there a problem?
Problem? Why should there be a problem? These things can't be done instantly, you know. So why don't you make yourself useful and do some sewing or something? Finally.
Can we go now?
We? You're staying here so you don't slow me down.
But I thought you cared about me.
Don't flatter yourself. Ta-da! No time to explain. Take this and get out of here. Hurry! What do I do? Just fiddle with the dials. Okay. It's not every day something like that happens to you. Still, at least I'm free now. I wonder what happened to the other Simon. I wonder how that little mutant got here.